Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use this get item by ID further. Like now I am going to show you how to use mark completed. It means how to mark work queue item as a completed. So here, as I told you in the previous video, that we are going to get item by ID one by one from this pending items, and then we can process each items here. As I shown you using get next item, that here we are getting next item and then we are checking that we have data available or not. If yes, then we are going to process the records and then mark completed, right? And then pick next item, and then if there is no data, then close the application and end, right? Now same thing I am going to do using get item by ID. So get next item automatically takes the data from queue, work queue, but get item by ID directly it doesn't takes the data from work queue. First we have to use any action like get pending items, which will get all the pending items from queue, and then one by one we can process. Now let me see here. So we are going to use this queue to get the item ID, and then we'll loop through each items here, and then we'll get item ID from this loop, from this collection, and then we'll process. So as we check item available or not in this item ID, so here it is not required because we are going to use loop. So loop automatically it will move further only if we have any data, otherwise it will go to the end and go to the end stage like that. So no need to take any decision stage to check that item ID not equal to blank or equal to blank like that. We'll directly take here. So let's say we have item available. Now we need to do something to process that specific item. So it means you can let's say take some steps here, some action, so that you can process that one. So double click on that, and let's understand that you have this page which will process the records. Now after that I want to, once we have completed the processing for this specific item ID which is fetched by this item ID, get item by ID, now we are going to use one action stage for mark completed. So once we'll select here mark completed. So here we need to pass that specific item ID which we want to mark as a completed. So we have this one in this output, we have this item ID we are getting here. So we can pass that specific item ID here which we want to mark as completed. So in the input we can pass. Now it will mark that specific item as a completed. So completed means here we have a pending, this is exception, and this is completed. So it will mark this specific pending item as a completed like this. This is the first one, right? So currently we have, let's say I have 16 records now, and I am going to show you how to mark this item as a completed. So let me link this one and let me connect with the loop end. Now what will happen, it will first get all the pending items, so it will give you 16 items. It will loop through each item here. So first it will pick one item from this queue, from this specific collection, and then it will give you the data in this item ID, and then we are going to process here something, you can understand, like we are going to process, and then we'll mark that specific item ID as a completed. And then it will again go back to the loop start one. It means it will loop through other item ID which is available in the collection. It will process, get, process, complete like that. So let me now right click, set next stage, and let me show you like this one. Now step by step we can see. So we have 16 records now, one by one. First it will fetch one item ID. Now you can consider that we have processed, like I am not going to include anything, but you can include something here. If you are working on in a company, so you will include like that, and you can process those records here. So that will be your steps, which will go to the any specific application, click on any button, type something and then process. That is the completed step will be written here. And then once that part is done, so it will go here and then mark completed. So this is same as like this one, process record. So it will have some something which bot will follow. It will go and go to new orders, add new orders, read the reference number, again go back here like that, and then mark completed. So I am going to show you the same thing, but now this is using this get item by ID. So now it will go and mark that a specific item ID. So let me show you this one here. So we have this item ID that is logged now, right? So once we will move through this one, so this ABC 1 2 3, this item will be marked as a completed. Currently this is logged. Now you can see, let me show you here, refresh that, and now ABC 1 2 3, that is marked as a completed. Now if we'll again click on step over, it will go to this one, it will pick the next item. Now you can see, once we will go through this one, it will pick the next item. Now item ID changed. Now you can see here this item again logged, that is ABC 1 to 4, that's item key. This is again logged, and now we are going to process the next item. It will mark complete, and now you will see here this item will be again completed. So you can see, so by this way we can like get item by ID, that is only from this collection, and then we can process each items which is available in this collection. But you know, we have this other one, that is get next item. So we are not taking anything the item ID from collection, it is directly taking the data from queue itself, from work queue itself, and then it's processing one by one. If there is no data in the work queue, we need to check here the condition and then stop that like that. So it works in that way. So same way, if you will just click on go, it will just complete all the items which is available in this like queue. So let me click go, and now everything is done. 16 rows completed. You will see here, let me go to this one and let's see all the items marked as a completed, right? So you can see everything we have just completed. So by this way you can use get item by ID to process each items which is available in the any collection, and that is ready to process. And as I shown you how to use mark completed, so and by this way you can update the items like progress. So I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn UiPath RPA, then you can visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/UiPath RPA. If you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy, so I have created one course for Blue Prism RPA complete course on Udemy. So you can go there and you can purchase that course and you can get the certificate from there. I will enter the referral code and the link in the video description. You can go through that. I hope you will like that one. Thank you so much for watching this video.